Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust lighting and lighting functions to your pictures on the Focos application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and select the picture that you want to edit. After that, click on this light bulb icon down below, which is the fourth option, and here click on sunlight, and on this scale you can adjust the lighting information. So if you can see, it ranges from 0 to 200, so position that little icon to the right place in order to adjust the sunlight effect. You can add the new light by tapping on the new light button in the left side of the screen, such as light bulb, fluorescent tube, flashlight, softbox, ring light, and radio light. You have many options, and you should position the icon on the screen. So just simply tap on it and then bring it to the relevant part where you would like the lighting to be positioned. You can also change the color of the light, the lightness, the range, the shadow, and the diffuse as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. You can save it in the upper right corner of the screen where you can find this checkmark icon. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.